Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the description, today we have the spoilers for March 2019. This is for the regular Ipsy glam bag. I hope you enjoy. I am really loving doing these spoiler videos. Don't forget to enter the 1,500 subscriber giveaway and make sure to hit that notification bell because we do have the 10 days of live giveaways going on as well. But as you can see here, Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription where you receive 5 beauty items. They can be sample size, deluxe size, and even full size. So here are the spoilers. I hope you enjoy and have a wonderful day.